Prefixes. Some of the quantities are either very large or very small. For example, 250,000 meters, 0.00 watt and 0.00000002 gram. SI units have the advantage that their multiples and submultiples can be expressed in terms of prefixes. Prefixes are the words or letters added before SI units, such as kilo, mega, giga, micro and milli etc. Multiples and submultiples of length. Kilometer. That is equal to 10 raised to power 3 meter. Centimeter. That is equal to 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. Millimeter. That is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Micrometer. That is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. Nanometer. That is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter.